Hi, today we are going to unbox Acer NITRO XV2 27-inch Quad HD gaming monitor. It has a refresh rate of 200 Hz and zero point 0.5 millisecond uh, response time. Before we unbox the product, I want to report an incident or share with you the experience. So this is bought directly from Acer store, Acer's official store, and they have delivered or couriered, shipped this product through DHL, and DHL, I mean, had received the product in their nearest hub to my home, but they were delaying to deliver it to me. So I went directly to collect the product. There I noticed that the people were handling it very badly. Not just this product, all the products that they received, they handled it very badly. They threw the package right in front of me, just like that, and I got very angry at them, and I reported about the incident to the senior official, and the senior official is telling that the product was surface delivery. They said it is a surface delivery, and they get tons of products, and that is how they handle things, and that was a very bad response from the senior official. Anyways, we are going to open the parcel now and check if everything is working fine. I definitely got to record this unboxing because I am skeptical if there is some damage. If you can notice, the things are kind of shaking inside. Something is shaking, so I got to make sure that the product is in working condition and the product is not damaged, because it is an electronic appliance, and it has this tiny LEDs in the screen. I'm scared that maybe the screen is damaged. The screen may have dead pixels because of the mishandling by the delivery partner, whatever it is. So we'll see to that. So I got this product day before yesterday. I did not get time to unbox it, so only today I'm doing the unboxing.
Mama, Papa's opening this. Papa's opening this, right? Papa's opening.
Box.
Box.
And can you zoom this information here?
Yeah.
Is it in readable format? And there is some damage here on the box, and there is one sticker over here as well. Please scan this one as well. This information. Make sure that it is clear. Are we done? And this information as well. So it seems from Chennai to Pondi. It should be from Pondi to Chennai. I think this parcel comes from Pondicherry.
This is story. You can see. Mama, I love you. Wow! This is
So here is the book, and of course I got to know that the monitor is shipped with the 16 amps plug. This is not usable in the sense the sockets that we have are normal sockets, not 16 amps. So I will have to use a different cable, and with the monitor we have one HDMI 2.0. I hope this is 2.0, and this is display cable as well, and we have the stem over here. It is okay. So this is the stem. This is the back side, which will be mounted to the monitor, and this is the leg. Of the monitor. So I think the cables were making noise. I wish that the screen is not damaged. So here is the main panel, the monitor.
Big monitor.
Maybe I fix everything up real quick.
Okay. So now it's this a leg. This is oh.
How do I fix this?
How?
Okay. Nice. So it's that's cool. Should I wear gloves?
What?
I want to make the monitor dirty.
Okay. Ooh, papa.
There you go. This is the monitor. It's fixed and it is looking nice and big. I have a 24-inch Full HD monitor, and this is a slight upgrade for me. From 24-inch I'm going to 27, and from Full HD to Quad HD.
What is that tall? It's very tall.
Let me also quickly switch this on to check if everything is working fine. On करें. As expected, the monitor is not working. Maybe because the delivery partner mishandled the package very badly. They were like throwing, the guy literally dropped in front of me the package, and now it's not switching on.
Now it's working fine.
So there are a few buttons here, and the bottom button we thought that's the power button, but it seems the first button from the top is the power button. So we have to press it and then it's switched on. So the monitor is switched on now. I am going to change the resolution, but before that let me ये चल्लापतना जी है. Let's see how it looks now. So I have changed the resolution Where is the scale? I don't know why this is popping up again and again.
वो क्लोज करो. हाँ.
क्या जी हो रहा है सो?
वो क्या ऑन हो जा रहा है वो.
So the monitor is running at 60 frames per second now, which is fine. I will test it for 200 hertz later on. Let me quickly check the screen for any dead pixels. This app is not good. We'll go to another app. So here is okay. क्या थी दिख रहा जी तू ना चल ना है. I could not find any dead pixels. I think all the pixels are working. Let me just check one more time.
What color?
कांति तुमने क्या थी दिख रहा जी?
It's blue, black, green, and white, and red, and red. It's so many colors. How is very colorful?
Alright, it looks that alhamdulillah the screen is good, the monitor is good, and it is working fine. I did not test the sound. Okay, so maybe I'm getting this HP audio control because this monitor has inbuilt built-in speakers which are only 2 watt each, and it should be not very sufficient or will be of good sound, but we can just check the sound quality real quick. It got 2 speakers of 2 watt each, like a stereo. Sound test.
2 speakers.
These are laptop. Okay, so no, the monitor speakers are not working. I mean, the computer has not detected monitor speakers, and there's some problem in detection, which is why I'm getting this HP audio control app, coming on and off. Anyways, I'm happy that the screen is working fine. That is more than sufficient for me. Thank you.